It's not a museum. It's a center of puppetry art. I just saw that. That's insane. Good morning, Ethan. Do you have a good sleep? We're going out today. We're going to the Puppet Museum.
Puppetry Museum.
Yeah.
The Art of Puppetry Museum.
Gonna see a lot of Sesame Street friends over there. Take a nap and we'll be there. Now we're at the Center of Puppetry
Museum.
It's not a museum. It's a center of puppetry art. I just saw that. That's insane. We just woke Aiden up because he was sleeping in the cart, but I think he'll fall back asleep pretty soon. We just need to throw out the trash. Okay, let's go. So we're at the collection now. They have 3 different collections, I think. There's one that's
I think Jim Henson.
I don't see. Who's Jim Henson? Is he a really?
One of the designer or something.
Is the
for the Sesame
Street? Ah. Do you watch Sesame Street when you grown up? When do you start watching Sesame Street?
Like 10 years old.
Yeah, I think I started watching it probably younger than that.
Yeah, I know. But in my age, there's not too many choice for me.
Yeah.
So I just watch whatever I can get.
Is your Sesame Street in Chinese or English?
Of course in Chinese.
Oh, so they have like...
So I think that's stupid and boring.
Don't they have like a translator for Teletubbies too? Aiden is so excited. Let's get started. I don't want to film too much because it's actually a museum. Even though they allowed videos, I just don't want it to show too much.
But video. It's really weird for me.
No, it's no flash photos, but taking pictures are okay. Oh, it's like taking us back in old times. I never had television like this. So old style. Oh, the little girl puppet.
Can you live with this doll? Not like a real doll.
A doll?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not a doll. I don't know what this is. It looks like a pig, but it's not really a pig.
Yeah, but I know
It looks like a witch.
You don't really like the realistic.
Yeah, I don't like a realistic
How
top.
about this version?
If it's more clean, then probably, and like more restored.
Yeah.
This is the puppet that I designed. This one is Daddy designed. Yours is more 3-dimensional because yours tilted.
Bring more personality. Feeling.
Guess what? I can make it too.
You know what?
What?
This piece reminds me more Dr. Seuss style.
Oh yeah, it does look like Dr. Seuss. But it's supposed to be hair.
Yes.
Yeah. This is supposed to be mustache, I think.
Yeah. Oh.
Now this ear looks like hands now.
Perfect.
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 Mine looks like some random kids make it.
Even better.
Even better. I'll make it like this. I don't know what this looks like. Whatever. Yes, you've been telling me for 2 whole weeks.
Yeah, the hair is standing on my head.
Yes, of course hair is standing on your head. In all different kind of directions.
Perpendicularly.
Perpendicular. How is it supposed to be? Oh, look at this. This is so pretty. Oh, lighting.
What's it? Oh,
I don't think the camera catch it, but
maple, right?
it's not.
Or it's not maple.
I don't think it's maple. It's like pinkish, reddish. I don't know. It looks pretty.
Cabbage.
It's not cabbage, man.
I mean, you pronounce.
How do you like the museum?
I see different culture. Here is the fusion of different culture, and you can see the way the designer artist is thinking how to build a puppet. And for example, the Japanese artist focus realistic, but on the other hand, the artists from European they think about the funny, they think about the fun, and they think about cartoony characters. So a different perspective, different thoughts. It's really interesting.
I think it's interesting that puppet were first not designed for kids, because usually when we think of puppets we think of kids, but first they were used to sell commercial.
Yeah. Ethan, what are you doing? Why are you shaking your hand? Why are you shaking your body?
Are we going to hot pot today? Are you allowed us? Do you allow us to go to hot pot today? No. I'm gonna feed you first before we leave, so you're gonna have a full belly.
You gotta have full belly, and you can sleep well in there. Okay? Papa, Mama love you.
We couldn't go yesterday, so we wanna go today.
Yeah.
Please.
Please.
Aiden is a good boy.
Yeah. Good boy is Aiden only. Exclusively.
So we just came out.
Thanks for Aiden.
Yeah, we had a little break after we went to the museum. So we went back home and now we're out for the hot pot. I don't know whether can we survive today in the hot pot place.
Our son loves us.
I hope so.
He is good boy.
Yeah, because last time when we brought him out to the other place for us just have fishbowl, he was crying like crazy too. So like it was almost
because there was another little girl, crying first. So maybe she delivered some horrible experience to my son.
Yeah, basically last time there was another baby who were crying that makes Aiden cried. But hopefully this time, now he is fully fed and I need to wear my seatbelt. He's fully fed and then we can go. So we are at the hot pot place now. Aiden is being super cute and sleeping well. Let's have our dinner! So we're back home now. Baby asleep. Get a glass of wine. Awesome dinner, huh?
I'm looking for some reading material for our son.
Never resting, never resting. But so far it's a really good weekend.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. And gonna start our day tomorrow, fresh week. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Ooh, see you guys tomorrow.